3 years after we witnessed a memorable Nuggets-Lakers showdown, the Western Conference foes meet again in the conference finals. While the role players have dramatically changed for both squads, the four stars remain the same. A king hungry to reclaim his throne and secure a coveted fifth title. An underappreciated AD ascending to becoming the Lakers' best player.
Steph still dribbling, goes off his foot. Steph still dribbling.
A jaw-dropping Joker jacked to fulfill a legacy-defining postseason. And a motivated Murray ready to prove the doubters wrong. For LeBron,
Still LeBron.
his legacy cannot be diminished, only enhanced in year 20. An undisputed top 5 player of all time. And a man who exceeded near impossible expectations the moment he stepped onto the floor in the NBA. What will capture our attention the most, though, is the expected epic duel between two of the most gifted big men the NBA has ever seen. Two skilled artists creating masterpieces in their own unique way. But ultimately, this series will come down to which supporting cast elevates to new heights.
And nowhere.
Walker long too.
Who will be given the green light? The pressure is palpable.
He's LeBron.
We live for a series like this.
Desperation.
Lakers Nuggets next.